In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix site multilingual using free tools. If you're ready to expand your website's reach and cater to a global audience, these steps will guide you seamlessly through the process. Let's dive right in. To get started, log into your Wix account and navigate to the website editor. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is click on the Add Apps button. This is an essential step because it allows us to access various applications that can enhance the functionality of our site. Next, in the search bar, type Wix Multilingual and conduct a search. This tool is pivotal because it will enable us to manage multiple languages on our site efficiently. Once you see it in the search results, click on it to proceed. If this is your first time doing this, the option will be to add it, but if it's already installed, you'll see Add Again. After successfully adding the app, focusing on the newly added language is important. So click on that language. This is where you ensure that the language settings are precisely configured to cater to your visitors' needs. It's all about making your site as user-friendly as possible, regardless of the language they speak. Now, let's move on to managing the language menu. By clicking Manage Menu, you have the flexibility to oversee the different languages available on your site. If you haven't chosen a secondary language yet, this is the time to do so. Choose Add Language to initiate this process. Once you've selected the secondary language you'd like to incorporate, head over to Go to Site Languages. Here, you'll have another opportunity to click Add Language, which will guide you in selecting the specific language you wish to add. This step is paramount in ensuring visitors can easily navigate between languages. Now comes the fun part, selecting the language you want to add. Simply choose your desired language from the list, and here's a neat tip. You can add a country flag to each language. This visually signifies the language and location, hence making navigation even easier for users. Afterward, consider utilizing the machine translation feature. This tool can help automatically translate your content, saving you time and effort while ensuring accuracy across multiple languages. Finally, click Add Language once more, and there you have it. You've successfully added a new language to your site. Remember, if you want to include more languages, repeat these steps for each new addition. Each click represents an opportunity to connect with a broader audience and provide them with a seamless, bilingual browsing experience. Enjoy your newly multilingual website, and feel free to explore further tools and options within Wix to enhance your site even more.